He's got it.
He's fine.
He says he's gonna plead.
All right, I'm nice.
This is count one, as charged, no subs.
No subs?
No subs.
So there's no sub on this plea, Mr. Sneed?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay. All right,
And went to the guidelines, Your Honor.
not a problem. All right, let's get him down here. and we'll- He can't take off his hat, but we can help him. There we go. All right, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jonathan Gonzalez Rodriguez, file number 2023-21565 FH. So Mr. Gonzalez Rodriguez, step up a little bit for me. So we had you brought in person last time, but we had some difficulty hearing you from MDOC, and then also Miss Underwood wanted to meet with you. So I have Rhonda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez Rodriguez. I have Isaac Sneed appearing via Zoom from the Lenawee County Prosecutor's Office. So Mr. Gonzalez Rodriguez, have you had a chance to speak with your attorney this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Miss Underwood, how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, Mr. Gonzalez Rodriguez have had a lengthy discussion on this issue. Mr. Gonzalez Rodriguez understands that if he went to trial, he would go to trial on what would be a felony with a life tail because those habituals are there. He further understands the plea bargain offer is reduced, plead to count one as charged, no supplements. Count two would be dismissed, and we would also be asking the court for a COPS to the low end of the guidelines. Under those circumstances, Mr. Gonzalez very wisely has indicated he wishes to accept that plea offer at this point.
So Mr. Gonzalez, the plea has changed. It's actually gotten better from my notes. So the plea offer is to plead to count one, assault of a prison employee that is a 5-year felony. You can carry up to a $2,500 fine, but I don't assess fines for MDOC inmates. Do you understand that?
No.
Now, Mr. Gonzalez Rodriguez, this does stack on any sentence you're currently serving now. Do you understand that?
No.
All right,
Could you
and
speak up, please?
could you speak up just a little bit for us? Okay, good. And do you understand that the court will sentence you to the low end of the guidelines?
No.
Okay, all right, and then the count two and the habitual offender fourth offense notice, which would have made it life, will be dismissed. Okay, are you set, and is it your intention then to plead guilty to count one, assault of a prison employee?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, are you satisfied with Miss Underwood as your attorney and the advice that she has given you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Neither the prosecutor, the defendant, nor anyone on the defendant's behalf has discussed any other possible sentence. Is that correct, Miss Underwood?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And Mr. Sneed?
That's correct, Your Honor. Thank you.
And as far as you're aware, is that true, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If a guilty plea is accepted, there will be no trial. This means that you will be giving up rights you would have had at trial. I'm going to explain those rights to you now to make sure that you understand them. You have a right to a speedy public trial by jury. You may ask for a non-jury trial, and if the prosecutor and court agree, you can have a non-jury trial. You have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have a right to have the prosecuting attorney prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty, and you do not have to prove anything. You have the right to be present at trial and have witnesses against you appear at your trial and to ask those witnesses questions. You have the right to have the court order any witnesses you have for your defense to appear at the trial. You have the right to remain silent during your trial, not to have your silence used against you. However, you also have the right to testify at your trial if you want to testify. Sir, do you understand if your plea is accepted, you may be giving up the right to any appeal issues that would otherwise be appealable had you had a trial and been convicted? Do you understand that?
No.
Do you understand that any appeal from the conviction and sentence pursuant to the plea would be by application for leave to appeal and not by right? Do you understand that?
Yeah.
If you are not a citizen of the United States of America, a conviction of a crime may result in deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States of America, or denial of naturalization. Do you have any questions about the rights that I've given to you?
Amen.
So, sir, how do you plead to the charge that on or about August 2nd of 2023 in Madison Township in the county of Lenawee, I'm going to guess at the Gus Harrison facility, that you did commit the offense of count 1, assault of a prison employee? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Okay. Has anyone made any threats or promises to you to induce you to plead guilty to this charge?
Amen.
All right. Do you understand if I accept this plea, you will be giving up any and all claims that your plea is given as a result of promises or threats that were not disclosed to the court on the record during this hearing, or that it was not your own choice to enter the plea? Do you understand that? Do you understand that? Okay.
We're
Is
not
the-
picking him up, Judge.
All right. I'm so sorry. You're kind of soft-spoken. Attorneys are never soft-spoken, so I just need to make sure you speak up loud enough we can hear you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, perfect. Is the prosecutor or defense counsel aware of any promises or threats or inducements other than the plea bargain to induce the defendant to plead guilty? Ms. Underwood?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Sneed?
No, Your Honor.
Right, has your attorney, well, yeah, we already have a plea agreement. All right, so it's your own intention to plead guilty today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so Mr. Gonzalez Rodriguez, on August 2nd of 2023, were you at the Gus Harrison facility?
No.
Would you agree that's located in Madison Township? Okay, and he was wearing his uniform like these gentlemen today?
No.
All right, and you knew he was an employee?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And you assaulted him and somehow, how did you assault him?
Punching.
You punched him? Okay. And you were convicted of a crime and lawfully incarcerated at Gus Harrison at the time this happened, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Sneed, are you satisfied?
I am, thank you.
All right, has the court complied with MCR 6.302 B, C, and D? Ms. Underwood?
It has.
Mr. Sneed?
Yes.
I accept the plea. It has been given understandably, voluntarily, and accurately. The defendant has full knowledge of his rights. He does have competent counsel. This court has made a Cobb's agreement regarding the sentence range in this matter. But other than that, there has been no agreement regarding the possibility of a plea or possible sentence in this case with the prosecutor, the defense attorney, the defendant, or anyone acting in the interest of either of them. I'm going to refer this matter to the probation department for a pre-sentence investigation. Sir, where are you currently?
He's in Ionia.
You're in Ionia? Okay. All right, so sir, someone from the Michigan Department of Corrections Probation Parole Division is going to get a hold of you, and then they're going to ask you about your background, the events that occurred. They're going to prepare a pre-sentence report. We'll get a copy to Miss Underwood. She'll get a copy to you. Miss Underwood's really good about trying to review things with people in advance, but sometimes, you know, MDOC is a busy place and we can't always get in. So if she's not able to review that with you in advance, she will be able to the morning of sentencing. Do you want to come in person or do you want to appear via Zoom? Want to do Zoom? Now, we had a hard time hearing you last time when you were on Zoom, and that's why we had you come in person.
You want me to come in person a little better?
Your Honor, I think they placed him in a cage in Ionia.
Yeah, he was at a cage at the back of the room. I couldn't hear him.
Would you rather come in person, Mr. Gonzalez Rodriguez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we're gonna do that in person. Miss Adams, can I set it for like 9 or 9:30 on May 29th?
That is day 2 of a jury trial, but
Did I swear him in, Joanne?
Sorry?
Did I swear him in?
I thought you did.
I don't think I did.
No, I don't. Hold on.
I'm sorry. Can you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, and that you have told the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so, sir, under oath, all your answers that you gave me here were true?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. What did you say, Miss Adams?
that is day 2 of a jury trial for Mr. Rodney Hill.
All right, I'm gonna set this for sentencing at 9 AM on May 29, because I think Mr. Hill, I don't know. He's been in and out a couple times, so,
And, Your Honor, just for the record, Ionia is one of those places where they will schedule a telephone conference.
excellent.
So, I believe we've done that before and I can review it ahead of time.
Okay. All right, so we will see you back May 29th at 9 AM for sentencing, and then we'll have you brought here. We usually do them at 8, but we'll set it for 9 so you get some more road time. And then we'll see you back on that day, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank
All
you.
right, thank you.
Good luck, Mr. Gonzalez Rodriguez. See you then.
Bye, safe travels.
So.
Thank you.